Hello and welcome everyone. Today's question is Watson asked, does permutation exist? So in our question we have an array of size n and our task is to rearrange the elements of our array in such a way that when we subtract the adjacent element of our resulting array, we get the result of 1 or less than 1. Now let's take an example and then we'll see the sample test cases. Consider we have n equals to 6 and the inputs of the array are 1, 3, 5, 2, 6 and 4. Now our task is to rearrange the element of this array in such a way that when we subtract the adjacent element of our final array, we get the absolute value of 1 or less than 1. Now let's rearrange the element of the array. After rearranging, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you can clearly see that when we subtract the adjacent element, we get always 1. Let's see. Index element 1 minus index element 0, we get 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1. Then index element 2 minus index element 1, that is 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Index element 3 minus index element 2, that is 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Index element 4 minus index element 3, that is 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. And index element 5 minus index element 4, that is 6 minus 5, that is equals to 1. Now let's quickly analyze the sample test cases, then we'll do the coding. Test case 1, we have n equals to 4 and the input of the array is 3, 2, 2, 3. Now here we do not need to rearrange the element as it is satisfying the condition which we need. Let's see. Index element 1 minus index element 0, that is 2 minus 3, which is equals to 1. That this is the absolute value. We get minus 1, then the absolute value is 1. Then index element 2 minus index element 1, we get 2 minus 2, that is equals to 0. Then index element 3 minus index element 2, we get 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. So clearly it is satisfying the constraint which our question need. So here it is possible, we'll get the required array. Now let's quickly see the approach. First the array which we need to sort. Now after sorting the array, we need to check if we get the result of subtracting. After subtracting, we get the result less than equals to 1. In any case, by any chance, if we get the result of subtracting the adjacent element greater than 1, then it is not possible to get the resulting array, desired array which the question need. So here you can see after sorting the array, we get all the subtraction less than equals to 1. So it satisfies the case, that is it is possible to get the resulting array. Let's see case number 2. We have n equals to 2 and the array is 1, 5. Here clearly no arrangement is possible, no rearrangement is possible that you can get the desired array. When we do 5 minus 1, we get 4. So answer is no. Let's quickly see with our approach. First we need to sort our array, which is already sorted. Then we need to subtract the adjacent element, and if we get the resulting value greater than 1, then it is not possible to get the desired array. So we'll print no. Now let's write the code. Step 1, let's read the input. Now we need to sort the array. Let's declare a variable to check. All set. Now we need to subtract the adjacent value of our array and check if it satisfies the condition on or not. If math dot absolute a of I minus a of I minus 1 is less than equals to 1. If it is greater than 1, then we'll simply put d equals to 1 and we will break out of the loop. If d equals to 1, no, else simply print yes. So now everything is set. Let's run our code. Okay, here we need to print the output in uppercase. Let's submit it. Great, thank you.